What's up, y'all? Me, your boy Mike D, here in the Wagon Shack. It's cold, but I got a heater back here, so I'm shitting until cotton. Uh, Along with the resto builds, I've done a plane now, and I've done a drill and all that stuff like that. You might have noticed that I had some chisels in the vinegar solution when I had the plane parts sitting in there. Since then, I've got them out, and I've kind of churched them up a little bit. And I posted a picture of this one on there. The filigree engraved on it, everything like that. I've got some cherry wood that I've cut into 1 inch by 1 inch blanks, and I'm going to go ahead and knock off the corners on it. But today's video is just going to be a quick one. It's a lot of lathe turning, a lot of copper shining, and setting some chisel handles. Chisels, they're not really a hard thing to restore. Just keep them flat, keep them sharp, make sure your handle's solid. So without further ado, roll that intro. Let's get into it. All right, so piece of 1 inch cherry chucked up here in the lathe. I've already cut all the 45s off of it, turned it into a total octagon and everything like that. I'm going to be doing a London pattern on this. No specific reason other than the fact that I like the London pattern. It feels good in my hand. Got a nice knob on the end for when you're striking it with stuff. Put the divot right here, and I am going to put a rather drastic reduction right here on the end of it so I can put the piece of copper pipe on there and clean it up. Make a good collar for whenever I put the chisels in there. Looks good and all that stuff like that. And then I'll bath them down in linseed. So won't be a whole lot of talking on stuff in this video probably until we're over there. But let's go ahead and get on with it. I've got this piece of copper pipe. I'm just going to use the pressure off the tailstock to press it on there. No glue on this, nothing like that. Just want a real tight, snug fit. All right. One bad thing about carbide tools is you do tend to get a lot of tear out as compared to the original gouges. So you kind of got to go back in and maintain everything. We're going to wrap this with some blue tape so we don't mar it up and tear it up, and then we're going to put the knob on this end. One down. Alright, so I've got my handles done here. Take them over to the drill press. I'm going to drop right there on the center indents that we used to index with the tailstock of the lathe. Take them over here, and I am going to put the blades in them, finish these bad boys off with linseed oil, and we're going to talk about it for a minute. Stick around. Alright, so we got these bad boys laid out here, tapped and drilled. Got one over there already I'm already done with. These are going to be my next three. And I was going to use this badass mallet right here, sent to me by another YouTuber and a good friend of mine, my honey's homemade, or handmade, I'm sorry. I don't want to mar it up on this because I'm really going to be putting some twang on these, setting these handles, and this is more for carving and chiseling. But I am going to do a full review on this. Like, this thing is amazing. He made it one of his live streams. It's got a QR code in the bottom of it and everything like that. I'll put a link to his channel down there. Make sure you check this guy out. Straight up, good dude, good God-fearing guy, and I mean, his work is spot on. Moving forward, we're going to go ahead and set these chisels in the handles. I know this sounds stupid, but hear me out. Cherry is a hardwood. You want this to be a snug fit, so obviously your hole is just about the same size as the piece you're putting in. A little bit of lube never hurt nobody. And she's beautiful. Set it. Lube her up. Send her home. I just now noticed that this one is just a tad bit off center. But these are mine. I'm not going to be too hell-bent about it. Although it does kind of perturb me, and even though I say I'm not going to be too hell-bent about it, I'm probably going to turn another handle for it. A little bit of grease in your hole. And she's in. Best part of the day right here. Little linseed. All right, ladies and gents. I like him. I'm a sucker for filigree. I don't know why, me being me and all that stuff like that. The London pattern on these, octagonal with the knurling. It's really actually super cool. They're all measured and identical in size and everything like that. I've got another blade over here. I don't know if you picked up on that or not, but I ran out of pre-cut cherry and my phone's getting ready to die, so I don't want to shortchange myself and make one that's, you know, way shorter and all that stuff like that.